Right, just a quick one today. I am going on a long journey at the weekend and I haven't actually checked my intake airbox filter for a while. My friend Ben gifted me a filter a couple of years ago, I think, and I don't know, since I've had a service, whether that's even been taken or replaced or whatever. I don't know whether I've got loads of leaves in there or something, but I'm just gonna have a check. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can check your air filter and see whether you need to replace it. First thing is, just got to pop the bonnet. Right, this is the airbox, and I think these are either T25s or T30s. I'll go and check in a second, but they're all around here, and that's the filters under that. You'll need a T20 to undo all of these. Right, the good thing about these screws is they don't come all the way out, so you won't drop them in your engine bay. So the next thing is just to lift this up. Yes, it's still the filter that Ben gifted me a couple of years ago. Oh, it's got loads of shit in it. Okay, yeah, look. So it's got loads of rubbish in it. So I can just empty this out and then replace the same one again. Now while you're doing this, you could probably have a bit of a hoover out in there as well, because there's going to be loads of bits of leaves and stuff in there, just to clean it out a bit. But mine's pretty clean. It's got a few bits and pieces in there. I'll give it a good clean, get the vacuum in there, get rid of all that muck. The actual filter itself is not too bad. It had quite a bit of little bits of debris on it. Yeah, but this is ITG. I'll put some details in the description, but it's not the one that comes with the car itself. That was a paper one. This one is not OEM. This one is an aftermarket, but it has a foam filter, so you can reuse it and wash it out again, which is probably what I'm going to do. So basically, air goes through your grille into this part here. The air gets filtered through the filter and then up through this pipe just here that goes down there into your turbo. And what you don't want is any bits of crap from the road going into your turbo. Also, while I'm here, look at these new wipers from Kimblade. They've got a carbon look to them, but yeah, they're pretty sleek. They've worked well. It's only rained once since I've installed them, but yeah, go and check them out. I'll put a link in the description from those as well. Right, once it's clean, you just put it back in its place. And then make sure there's no gaps or anything's kinking, because you don't want anything being sucked up into your turbo. And then screw it down nice and tight. There we go, all done, job done. There we go, that was a simple job. I'll see you guys at the weekend at the German car meet in Gaydon. Over and out.